Locked out of Walmart's deals because of location restrictions? I'm here to help. First, make sure location services are enabled on your phone. For iPhones, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap Location Services. Make sure Location Services is toggled on and that Walmart is set to while using the app or always. If you're on Android, head to Settings, then Location, and ensure Location is turned on. Then find Walmart in the App Permissions list and grant it location access. Still no luck? Try updating the Walmart app. Open your App Store, search for Walmart, and tap Update if it's available. The problem might be your Walmart account. Open the Walmart app or website and go to your account settings. Double check that your address and preferred store location are correctly set. Using the Walmart website on a computer. Ensure your browser has permission to access your location. Enable location sharing in your browser settings. That's it. These steps should fix your Walmart location restriction, allowing you to get back to saving money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.